Happy Friday, Whitney! Pre-recorded from our bedrooms, it's Whitney High School at Home, and I'm your host, Reese. Up first, we have a news segment by Jack Manalo that will put a smile on your face. Take it away, Jack.
Welcome back to Manalo's Merry Minute, where we go over the merriest news from around the world in a minute or less. So let's get right to it. Our first story comes from an otter named Harris who recently just lost his partner. His zookeepers actually made him a website called Fishing for Love so he could find a mate. He matched with Pumpkin from Scarborough Sea Life, and they have already gone on their first date. Congrats, you two. Tesla just recently announced that they're going to begin manufacturing their own batteries. So by 2023, a Tesla will only be about $25,000. This means all you little girls on Instagram can stop posting David Dobrik's giveaway and just buy a Tesla yourself. Lawrence Brooks is the oldest World War II veteran and recently just celebrated his 111th birthday with a flyover and a vocal trio. Hopefully he can stick it out for one more year and we can see his 112th. Happy birthday, Lawrence. And our last story comes from Cambodia, where a giant rat named Magawa, who has been trained to identify landmines, has been awarded a gold medal from the PDSA. He has successfully covered over 141,000 square meters of land, but some of you guys still can't even run the mile. That's beside the point. He's now among many decorated horses and dogs for his valiant efforts. Thank you, Magawa. And that's about all we have for today for Manalo's Merry Minutes. Hopefully we can see you again next time, but until then, stay merry. Peace out.
Thank you, Jack. Now I know that high school may seem a little intimidating to our incoming students, and that's okay. Especially since we're under quarantine, I don't blame you. But don't worry, because we have a special video dedicated to you, our 7th graders. So let's take a look.
What's up, new Wildcats? I know how hard it can be coming to a new school, especially in an online environment. And switching from elementary school to middle school is no easy task. But rest assured, because here at Whitney we have the most amazing student body and faculty that's rooting for you and is here to help. And with that, here's some advice from your very own 2021 seniors.
Hi, I'm Giselle. Some advice I'd have for 7th graders is to just stay kind. Don't worry about what other people think about you or what you do. And although we're known as an academic school, just really try to take some time for yourself and truly enjoy your life.
What's up, guys? Some of the best advice I could give you that I also got when I was new to Whitney was go to dances. Hello dance, aloha dance, and when you get older, winter formal and prom. They're all amazing ways to connect with your class and your friends. And even if you have no one to go with friends. It's just as fun. And really enjoy it because it really enhances the high school and middle school experience at Whitney.
My advice to 7th graders is to always ask for help whenever you don't understand something, and also remember that grades don't define who you are as a person.
What's up, 7th graders? My advice to you this year would probably be to get out of your comfort zone and to make as many friends as you can possible. You're going to be stuck with these people for the next 6 years. You might as well get to know everybody.
Try new things. There will be plenty of people ready to welcome you to new clubs, and you may find a new hobby. Feel free to step out of your comfort zone and have fun.
Great advice, seniors. Up next, we have a few videos from ASB and Club Kai.
They say home is where the heart is. Nobody knows this better than the Filipino Americans. This is the motto of Seafood City, a mainstream grocery and supermarket brand accustomed just for the Filipinos, solving their struggles in finding food ingredients and products made from their homeland. In 1989, the first Seafood City supermarket opened in National City, San Diego, California, offering quality and authentic Filipino specialties at the most affordable prices. True to their vision, Seafood City became a town hall that provided customers with essentials their lifestyles needed. Brands like Jollibee, Red Ribbon, Chowking, Philippine National Bank, TFC, and others were included here.
And we can build this dream together.
In 1975, Roberto del Rosario developed the sing-along system, a type of karaoke machine that is still used today, especially in the households of many Filipinos around the world. Although the first karaoke machine originated in Japan, Roberto del Rosario is known to hold the patent to this iconic and enjoyable machine.
In 2002, an area in Los Angeles, California was recognized as Historic Filipino Town. The town was recognized to help preserve the history of the neighborhood and promote cultural and educational interests. The area started off in the 1920s when 2,000 Filipinos immigrated to the United States. As time progressed, Filipinos became the second largest group of Asian Americans to be living in the U.S. in 2015. Hey everyone! Filipino Town is filled with many restaurants for you to get a taste of what it's like in the Philippines. After eating some tasty pancit palabok, take a ride in a Filipino jeepney to a room filled with music and friends at the Bootleg Theater. End the day off by visiting some murals and streets covered in art.
Finally, we have a makeup tutorial with a twist by yours truly. Let's check it out.
What's up guys, I'm Matthew and I'm subbing in for Reese's voiceover today, so I hope you guys enjoy. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna wave, we're gonna put our headband on, and then we're gonna get some lotion. And with this lotion, what you're gonna do is you're gonna make sure your face is hydrated, get some hand sanitizer, put a lot, apply it on your face, make sure it burns. And we're gonna soak this foam ball in water, okay? And we're gonna apply this cream on our face. And with this cream, we're just gonna apply it all over evenly. Get some more cream. It looks like the same cream. And we're gonna apply it on our face again. After that's all applied, we're gonna get some of this powder. And with this powder, we're actually gonna put it on our face. I don't know what it does, but you know. We're gonna get our favorite brush and we're gonna brush our eyebrows. And after we brush our eyebrows, we're gonna get the Sharpie and make sure our eyebrows are looking sharp and clean. Make sure to brush some stuff on your eyebrows. And we're gonna get some of this this cream and we're gonna fix our mistakes. Because you know, mistakes are okay, but it's also good to hide them, you know what I'm saying? And we're gonna get some of this the stuff, put it on our eyelid. Get some brushes, and we want stars on our eyelid. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna brush some of this powder, get that Sharpie from earlier, and we're gonna draw a comma on the corner of our eye. And with that comma, what it's gonna do, it's gonna accentuate and exaggerate. I don't know what I'm talking about. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna get this eyeshadow and we're gonna just like blend it. Is that a term? I think that's a term. Blend it in. And we're gonna get some of this glitter, put it on our face. Make sure it looks like Britney Spears made a mistake. And then we're gonna put some more glitter on, 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 more glitter on. And then the next thing we're gonna do actually is put this powder, and then you're gonna get the super glue. What you're gonna do with the super glue is actually glue these stars on your face. Make sure it looks like the American flag, super patriotic, get all 50 states on there. And you're gonna get these false eyelashes, and with that same super glue, you're gonna glue it on your face. Make sure it stays on there permanently. You're not allowed to take these eyelashes off. Alright? And then you're gonna get your favorite pencil, your favorite coloring pencil, and you're gonna draw an outline of your lip. On your lip, you're gonna highlight that with some more hand sanitizer, make your lips look super glossy. You're gonna get some powder, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna paint only the edges of your face. I don't know what it does, it just looks cool. You're gonna get some more powder. You're gonna make yourself look like you're blushing, or like, I don't know, cold or something. You're gonna get the glitter. The goal of the glitter is to make sure you look like a second grade art project. A little laugh right there, haha. And finally, we're gonna finish up with some more powder. Just not stopping with this powder. You're gonna point, change, looking good, Reese. We're almost there. We're gonna spray some water on our face, and after that, and our look is done. I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure to tune in for more Blank Does My Voiceover, and we'll see you next time.
Alright, Whitney, that's all we have for today's show. If you like what you saw, please subscribe to our channel to be the first to know whenever we upload any additional content. Also, please follow us on Instagram at whitneyhs.live, and also email us if you want to be featured on the show at whitneyhs.live@abcusd.us. Everything will be in the description box below. Anywho, thank you all for watching, and have an amazing day, Wildcats. Bye-bye.